Hello guys, welcome to Servlet tutorial. Now we shall see one question, important question, that is what is the use of request object, session object attribute, Servlet context attributes in real-time project. So the answer is, we can use Servlet context attribute to maintain the global data about your web application. Suppose take an example, whenever you want to remember number of visitors or a request or clients count or number of hits or request has been given by the number of clients, then you can use Servlet context attributes like to maintain the global data about your web application. Then session attributes, when to use session attributes. So session attributes are useful while working with the session, while working with the HTTP session with the cookies and HTTP session with the URL rewriting techniques in session handling. So you can use session attribute values while working with the HTTP session, while working with the session handling techniques. And let us proceed for now request scope attribute. So these are the three scopes: request scope, session scope, and Servlet context scope. So let me proceed for now. Request scope: whenever you want to perform Servlet to Servlet communication or Servlet to Servlet collaborations, or you can call, or there might be a communication between Servlet to JSP or JSP to Servlet communication. So with respect to request dispatcher object by using forward method, then source Servlet program uses request attribute, or JSP Servlet program uses request attribute to send the source data to destination program, or source Servlet program or source JSP program data to destination Servlet or JSP program. So you can let me revise once again. Servlet context attribute is useful for remember the global data, and session object attribute is useful for to perform session handling techniques, to work with the session handling techniques, technique 3 and technique 4, like HTTP session with the cookies and HTTP session with the URL rewriting. And to work with the request objects attribute scope or request object attributes is useful to perform Servlet to Servlet communication, or you can call Servlet to Servlet collaborations, as well as JSP to Servlet or Servlet to JSP and vice versa. Okay, as well as to send the data from one Servlet program to other Servlet program, or one JSP to other JSP, or vice versa also possible, or Servlet to JSP or JSP to Servlet. Okay guys, so now I learned about the use of different scopes for different attributes like request, session, and Servlet context attributes. Now let us see, we shall see a new topic, that is difference between generic Servlet and HTTP Servlet.